about y'all, but in New York, the price of Chinese food has gone up like crazy. Used to get so much food for about $5. Now it is unheard of. And honestly, with all the additives that they put in there, you're better off making it at home. So I went to Trader Joe's, got this flank steak, cut it up nice and thin. Now it did not come pre-seasoned, so don't come for me. Season your food. Then I took this broccoli, cut that up nicely. You can use frozen if you want. That's on you. Then I took about a quarter cup of brown sugar, some sesame oil, coconut aminos because I'm watching my soy intake, oyster sauce, which also has soy sauce in it, garlic, and ginger. Now, this is my way of doing it. I honestly just used what I had on hand and I added a little bit of liquid smoke as well. But you can do it however your heart desires. I looked up some recipes and this was my take. Got my hot ass wok ready, threw in my meats. Now, I'm using chopsticks because I thought I was being fancy and was like, let me do this the authentic way in my mind. So that's just on me, but you could grab yourself a pair of tongs, honey. Don't come for me. Now, after the meat was about 80 to 90% of the way cooked, I added the liquid to the pan. I wanted it to kind of seep in there a bit, so I took my time with it. Then I added my cornstarch slurry, which is just cornstarch and water. That's a thickening agent, and you're gonna see she's gonna go from a little bit runny to super thick, okay? Then I threw in my blanched broccoli. That was literally all she wrote. Pair that with some homemade fried rice, and I ate good, okay? And if you really want to do something, add this cran dragon fruit, and you will thank me later.